Hey guys, it's me, Demaya Valentina. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your character look as spicy. So, yeah, it's either on PC or it's either on iPhone. Today I'm on PC, the other day I'm on whatever. So, I have to take off some of these outfits anyway, of course. They don't be looking good. They don't be looking good. But okay. So, let's remove like everything. Well, except like the scarers and everything, but we could remove everything else. So, yes. Hello, baby. So, I'm just removing everything that I don't really need. Look at, I don't look good. Like, I can actually wear that thing. And no cap. It's just a head that you wouldn't want to wear. But you don't want to wear no one. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just like over exaggerating and everything like that. Sorry this taking so long, but short, inappropriate, kids. Oh, we have this shirt. And then I'm gonna remove this. And then I'm gonna remove the avatar. So basically, you just got a basic avatar with thick legs and big head and okay. So, yes. Oh wait, did I remove your head? Oh no, I didn't. So first, what you want to start with is you want to know what your outfit's gonna be. So I'm going to go with I have to remove some stuff over here, but I'm gonna go with this outfit right here. It is this if you can't see it. Okay. No, I'm just not gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with these two. You can see what they say right there. So first, I'm gonna put on the outfit, kind of the outfit. So the shirt is just peachy shirt and skinny jeans are XL, and then the feet booty sizer. You know, my character has big feet. So the big feet and everything. Baby girl, no. You're funny, but I know. So I got the resizing, everything like that. Oh, look at the little tiny feet, tiny feet. So now we're gonna go into the makeup and the head. So everybody has like these heads and everything like right here. This is Chloe head, big lips, and it's kind of hard sometimes to find the right head for it and the right skin. So I just put the one that kind of looks best to me. And you see how the eyebrows are so big? Well, all you have to do is pick out some eyebrows and make them thicker. See? All you gotta do is pick out some eyebrows and make them thicker. I'm like, big girl, it's not that hard. And then you can take the add-on lips, and yeah. Then you are going to add some hair. Obviously, you don't want to go around walking bald and everything in a chat room and people hopping on your head and everything like in your face. But why you look like that? But you add an avatar. And you add an avatar, and you just look schmetchy now. Oh wait, let me go to some accessory. Like a baby girl, you can't be looking like this without an accessory. Oh, okay. Yes. I'm gonna remove the ears. Or should I remove the ears? Should I remove the ears? Actually, I'm not gonna remove the ears, but I'm gonna add these two. Oh no, I can't have that. That looks nasty. That looks nasty, nasty. But we got the baby girl, and I'll leave there. So yeah, guys, this is the finishing touch of the the finishing touch of my character. And actually, I'm gonna buy this, and I'm gonna be gifting. So if you want a gift, comment down below what your username is, and add me. My username is up here. That's XXX. Don't mind me, XX. Or something like that. I'm not even gonna read it. But add me. And, yeah. So, this is how she looks. Let's do a little fun time real quick before it is over. Fun dance, fun dance. Yes, yes. Yes, okay girl, I see you. But, okay guys. That's mainly it. So, as always, please like, subscribe, and comment some more ideas you want. And just remember, like, if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, don't let nobody stop you just because of the amount of subscribers you have. Keep going, keep motivating yourself, and you'll make it. So, yeah, guys. Bye.